will be showing the solution to the following problems, right? So for the first problem, ball D has a mass of 20 kilograms if a force of 100 newtons is applied horizontally to the ring at A. Determine the dimension D so that the force in cable AC is 0. So this is our figure, guys. Meron ka dyang, ayun na nga, yung ball natin, tapos may humihilang 100 newton force to the right. Ngayon, there are two cables, AB and AC, pero ang gusto natin, cable AC will carry no force. Okay, so ibig sabihin, yung tension kay cable AC is 0. Now, to create the free body diagram, ito lang. So, tatlo lang yung present. We have tension AB, force F, and yung weight natin. If you will notice, I did not include yung tension kay AC kasi nga, sabi sa problem, ang gusto si AC ay 0. Okay? So, ito na yung free body diagram. Now, summing forces along X. So, alin lang ba dyan yung may contribution sa x-axis? We have TAB and F. So, TAB is to the left, kaya negative. So, negative TAB cosine theta. So, this is the x component plus 100. So, that is your F. So, wala nang iba, kaya equals 0 na. Expressing this equation in terms of theta, we have TAB equals 100 over cosine theta. Now, let's sum forces along Y. So, sa Y, dalawa din lang yung present, si TAB and yung weight. Okay, so, to get the Y component of TAB, you just multiply TAB with sine theta. And then, positive siya kasi pataas. Tapos, minus yung weight, which is 196.2. And then equals 0. Right? Now, substituting this dito, okay? So, yung TAB na 100 over cosine theta, ipalit natin dito sa TAB sa baba. Now, our equation will now be 100 over cosine theta times sine theta equal minus 196.2 equals 0. So, alam naman natin na yung sine over cosine ay tangent. Kaya, naging 100 tangent theta minus 196.2 equals 0. Solving for theta, you get 62.993 degrees. O, ngayon, may theta na. How are we going to solve for D? Diba, this is just a triangle. This one. So, I just created this triangle. Ito. Create tayo ng bagong triangle dyan. Now, this is theta. Tapos, sabi sa problem, from point A hanggang dito, that is 2 meters. Tapos, ito daw ay D plus 1.5. So, we have here D plus 1.5. We know the value of theta. Okay? So, ang unknown lang is yung D. So, diba, alam naman natin from SOHCAHTOA. TOA is tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. Kaya meron tayong tan theta equals opposite. So, D plus 1.5 over adjacent, which is 2. Yan. So, theta is known. That is 62.993. Substituting and solving for D, we get D equal to 2.424 meters. So, ito yung answer. Next, determine the magnitude and direction of theta of F so that the particle is in equilibrium. This is very easy, guys. So, hindi na natin kailangan i-redraw, no? So, yan na yan. Yan na yung pinaka-free body diagram din natin. Alright. Let us just sum forces along X. So, ilan yung forces na merong X component? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, first, consider natin yung 8 kilonewton force. So, X component nito is negative. Okay, kasi to the left siya. So, negative 8 cosine 30. And then, 4 kilonewton force, again, negative siya kasi to the left. So, negative 4 cosine 60. And then, the x component of f is f sine theta. So, dito guys is cosine kasi yung tawag dito, adjacent side yung x. Dito, naging sine na kasi opposite side na yung, opposite na nung angle yung x component. Okay, so we have f sine theta. And then, plus 5. Si 5 ay nasa x-axis na. Alright, here. Simplifying the equation, we have f sine theta equals 3.928. Now, next, we sum forces along y. So, we have 8 sine 30 minus 4 sine 60 minus f cosine theta. So, we have this rearranging. We have f equals 0.535898 over cosine theta. Ngayon, itong equation na ito, itong value na to, ilagay natin dito. So, we have 0.535898 over cosine theta times sine theta, so ito yun, equals 3.928. So, again, sine over cosine is equal to tangent, kaya tangent theta is equal to, so ito, ano lang, nilipat lang ito doon, nag-divide lang. So, tangent theta is equal to 7.3301. Solving for theta, we get 82.231 degrees. Ayan. So, pwede mong lagyan ng ng, let's say, direction na it's coming from the negative y-axis. So, sige, tanggapin ko din kung wala. Kasi, andito na naman sa figure yung theta. Okay? Next, determine the moment of the force about point O. So, we are given 3 figures. For the first figure, ayan, magsasum lang tayo lagi ng moments about O. So, summing moments about O. Okay? So, dito. M sub O is equal to negative. So, yung negative 100, this is what I considered here is yung y component. So, y component ng 100, tapos 3, 4, 5 yung triangle is 100 times 3 over 5. So, yung vertical component over the hypotenuse. So, that's 3 over 5. Negative kasi, di ba pababa yung y component yan. So, ang magiging ikot niyan ay clockwise. Kaya negative. And then, for the moment arm or the distance d, we have 5. Kaya times 5 yan. For the x component of 100, that is 100 times 4 over 5. Ito. So, pag ganun siya, papunta sa right. Ano yung magiging pag-ikot niya about O? Pag ganun. Okay, so, clockwise pa rin, kaya negative. Alright. And then, for the moment arm, that is 2 meters. Kaya times 2. Okay, simplifying the equation, you get M sub O equal to negative 460 Newton meters. So, ayan. Sabi ko, you indicate the direction. Okay, wag si negative. Therefore, our final answer is M sub O equal to 460 Newton meters clockwise. Right? Next, for this figure, naka-incline, no? May naka-incline tayong distance and then naka-incline din yung force. So, to get the moment about O, we just take the components of F, tapos yung respective distances din from point O. Okay? So, ayan. M sub O is equal to negative 300 cosine 30. So, this is the x component. So, 300 times cosine 30. So, yung x natin is papunta sa right. And ang magiging rotation niya ay clockwise. Kaya, this is negative. Now, as for the distance, ano yung distance niya? Diba? Ito. Yung distance na to. And that is 0.3 times sine 45. Okay? So, yun yung x component. For the y component of f, that is 300 sine 30, ito, yung direction is pataas. Ano yung magiging rotation niya about O? Counterclockwise. Kaya yung 300 sine 30 natin ay positive. As for the moment arm, diba ito yung force, pag ganyan. Ano yung distance niya kay O? Ito. So that is 0.4 plus itong distance na to, which is 0.3 cosine 45. Okay? Simplifying, we get m sub O equal to 36.706 Newton meters. Again, indicates the direction that is counterclockwise. So, positive kasi, kaya counterclockwise. Alright, and then for the last figure, we have three forces, no, na nagko-contribute sa moment about O. Now, we sum moments and take these forces one by one. So, m sub O equals 600 times 1. Ito yon. So, si 600 pababa, distance niya ay 1 meter from O. Okay, so yung rotation nito is clockwise, therefore it should be negative. Next, let's consider the 300 Newton force. 300 newtons to the left at to the right. Okay, so ano yung moment arm niya? Distance niya from O, ito. Ayan o, kung makikita mo, ito yung what do you call this? The perpendicular distance. So ano yan? That is 2.5 sine 45. And yung rotation niya ay clockwise, kaya negative. For the last force, we have the 500 Newton upward force. No, ang moment arm. So that is 1 plus 2 plus this distance here. And that is 2.5 cosine 45. Okay, so evaluating the expression, we get m sub O equal to 1,253.553 Newton meters counterclockwise. So, ito yung final answer. Right? So, that's all. Thank you.